All right, welcome to another episode of Live on What You Grow. And I just want to make a short video to show you the results of our carrot sowing. Now, we sowed these 6 days ago, and the carrots actually came up in 3 days, which is something that is very out of the ordinary. You look online and you see people planting carrots, and they say that you can expect it to be up to 2 weeks before they sprout. So I just wanted to show the validity of this method of using the screen to sift out the soil, make a very fine soil, and then to plant the seeds and then put the potting mix right over the top of that. They came up in 3 days. In every single row, there are carrots coming up. So it's not like that one variety is better than another, although some of them are a little bit bigger than the others. But in every row, the carrots have come up. So we've got also some beets in here. I planted that same day, and those are all up, and those are growing fine. I just wanted to let you know that some kind of an animal got into this netting. If you come down here, right in this area over here, you can see, I believe that it was a chipmunk that got into there and was digging in there. So you can see how the mulch got into the rows. This is where the parsnips have been planted, and I don't see any parsnips coming up yet, but there is a little carrot coming up over there. And then the chipmunk also scratched the mulch into the area right here. But this is a fantastic way of starting your carrots. You're going to get germination a lot better. More of your carrots are going to germinate. They're going to grow quicker, and that's what you want to do if you're going to live on what you grow. So usually you plant your carrots in April or at the end of March if the weather is up for it, and then you plant again in July. We got it a little bit sooner, and you can see that they are doing really, really well. So just want to give you that quick update. We'll see you on the next video.